getting ready to make a Philly cheesesteak my way. Okay, add the onions. I like a lot of onions. Yeah. Put the onions down a little bit. And this is the steak that I'll be using. I should have used my grill. That's what I should have used. Oh well. Okay. I'm going to need to shred this steak up. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Even though I got onions in it, but I still like onion powder. Ground black pepper. And just a little bit of garlic salt. I added the cheese, and I'm going to cover it up so the cheese can melt evenly. So I still have more of the sauce that I made the other night. I'm going to add that to my rolls. This is the cheesesteak and the roll. I'm going to add it on top of the steak. Okay, this is how it looks so far, but I am not done yet. And this is my version of a Philly cheesesteak. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper on top. That's it. Looks delicious. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.